Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the animation named Baby Arrived only using one picture. How to do that? So don't worry because this video will show you the step by step to do it. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install this PixVerse from the Play Store, or if you are the user of the iPhone or iOS, then you can install it first from the App Store. And after you install it, then you can open this application. And also don't forget to do the login first. So this application will give you the 60 credit as the new user, and this is the credit left in my application or in my account. And let's say if you run out of the credit, don't worry because it will be renewed 60 credit at UTC 0 following your time zone. And let's go back to the Baby Arrive animation. Then we can go back to this template section and go to the searching section and type Baby Arrived. And enter it. And we can choose this template, select this template, and use this template. And it will be directed, or it will direct you into the gallery, and you can select your favorite picture here. And as you can see, since this animation will need 20 credits and we have also 20 credits to go, so it will be enough to do it. So let's start to generate it. Click create, and it will need you to take a while to let this application do the generation, and you can start to explore more about another user creation. And as soon we receive the notification that the video is ready, then you can click this notification section and let's see the result. Isn't that cute, right? So you can start to download it from this section, or you can also install it, to post it into your favorite social media here. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself into your account. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more another video tutorials. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.